Story 4. A thief paid a visit to the house of a pious man, but although he sought a great deal, found nothing and was much grieved. The pious man, who knew this, threw the blanket upon which he had been sleeping into the way of the thief, that he might not go away disappointed. I heard that men of the way of God have not distressed the hearts of enemies. How canst thou attain that dignity, who quarrelest and wagest war against friends? Well, if you're selfish enough to violate the rights of others, it makes its way from known enemies to you don't know, to friends, to family, and all that, right? The friendship of pure men, whether in thy presence or absence, is not such as will find fault behind thy back, and is ready to die for thee before thy face. In thy presence gentle like a lamb, in thy absence like a man-devouring wolf, who brings the faults of another to thee and enumerates them, will undoubtedly carry thy faults to others,